Okay, so welcome back to the day 5 of R3 APAC Developer Week, and I'm Navin Reddy. Okay, so before we call out the live this time, let's have a Slido, right? So why not start a day with a Slido? And today we are going to do multiple Slidos, and each Slido will be having $200. Can you imagine that? Great. So today's final day, this Friday, weekend is on the way, right? So let's enjoy this day. This will be a short day comparatively to the others day, but this will be an amazing day because we have so many prizes to give away today. But we'll start with the Slido. So if you are there in the chat window, say I'm here, right? So at least we know who are here, right? So use your chat and mention that you're here, and till the time I will just get my Slido all set. Okay. Great.
Maybe Naveen, ask them which city they're in. You guys put which city you're currently in into the chat. That'd be great, just to know where everybody's coming from.
So mention I'm here from Mumbai, Delhi, Kuala Lumpur. That's awesome. Pune. Oh, great. So I'm sharing my screen. We are going to start with the next Slido.
We'll give everyone a second just to get signed up because we got a bunch of people coming in, so they're all waiting, and we want, but if you're late today, who knows, right?
Yeah.
Who knows? You may not make it. We may start without you. We got $200 up for grabs early. People thought, you know what? I'll just wait till the middle and come in and get the no. Oh, no. Today we are ready.
Yeah.
Right.
So let's see who's the early bird today.
Yeah. Who's gonna win?
$200.
Are these hard questions today, Naveen, or what?
We'll start with the easy one today morning.
Yeah.
We'll make it difficult as we go through the day.
And there's already people in the chat asking what about the leaderboard? We're gonna get to all that. Yes. We just decided you people that showed up early, you're gonna get $200 right off the bat. All right, here we go. Let's go. We can't wait anymore. I'm done waiting.
Okay, great. So here we go. We are going for our first question. I hope you're all set. And here we go. The first question. Dash is the Microsoft first server-side scripting language and engine for dynamic web pages. Is it ASP, JSP, PHP, JavaScript? And your time is up. So go for the options. And okay, most of you are saying ASP, the active server pages. Is it right? And the answer is yes, that's ASP. Awesome. So you did well there for the first question. Let's go for the next one. The next question. What is a port number for SSL? Is it 21, 22, 443, 990? Okay, and I'm ending it here. Let's see what you voted for. Oh, most of you know the answer. That's awesome. And that is correct. As I mentioned, we are going to start with easy one today, and you did well. Cool. And now let's see the leaderboard. So on the leaderboard, we got Consti on top. So we got Consti, Alexi. Let's say good fight there. And Consti was able to answer both the question in 7 seconds. That's so fast. Awesome.
That means you got to know. That's the thing about this. If you know and you can answer really quickly, it's people try to Google, right? And they're done. They're going to lose.
Yeah, the moment you switch tab, you're done. The time is up.
Yeah.
Cool. Go for the third question. Here we go. Okay, Dash is the process of adding new components to the running server without having to stop the application server process and start it again. Is it hot deployment, live update, continuous delivery, or load balancing? Okay, we'll complete the 3 seconds and let's see what you have answered. Okay, most of you are saying hot deployment, and that is correct. It's called hot deployment. Okay, fourth question. Here we go. What is the earlier name for the Wildfire application server? Is it Glassfish, ColdFusion, WebSphere, JBoss? I only used once in my lifetime this Wildfire application server. And let's see what you have answered. Oh, big confusion there, right? This is difficult. Okay, so the answer is JBoss. Ooh. Okay, glassfish is still called a glassfish, right? But J-Boss now it's a wildfly. Okay. Now, last question. Let's see if you can answer this. Which annotations allow Spring Framework to automatically detect all our custom beans in Java? Is it component, auto-wired, override, or value? I think this will be easy if you know Spring Framework. And let's see the options. Oh. Okay. I know why you got confused there, but the answer is component, not auto-wired. Auto-wiring is used for the wiring purpose. Component is used for the Spring Framework to detect the beans. I know that's a tricky question, but yeah, one word here and there. But anyway, let's see the leaderboard. And leaderboard says Consti on top. Congrats, Consti. 5 out of 5. That means you know Spring Framework. And you have worked on the backend server. Yay! Nice. So Consti, congratulations. And let me know in the chat window how many times you have won this events, these quizzes, this Slido. Awesome. And you will receive your mail in the coming week. Cool. So now let's move towards the next thing. So once we have done with the Slido, let me get my co-host for the Bollywood quiz. We got Dalai here. Hey, hi, Dalai. All set? Friday morning. So before we start, Dalai, any plan for the weekend? In fact, my plan is to complete this certification. How about you?
Well, I have to say that I'm not being as productive as you. I have a bit of a social weekend. It's Halloween this weekend, so I'm gonna be dressing up. Maybe that's my plan.
Oh, we are geeks. We are developers. We don't take holidays.
What are you dressing up? What are you dressing up as?
I'm gonna be Morticia Adams, but if she lived in Bombay in October, so instead of a long sleeve black dress, I'm wearing a halter black dress because it's too hot for long sleeves.
True. It's too
Seems
hot.
reasonable.
So should we do our first Bollywood quiz of the day?
Yes, please.
Let's pull it
Excited.
up. Okay, so Brahmastra, which is a huge epic first installment of a planned trilogy that's going to span 10 years, began filming when? Was it August 2017? Was it February 2018? Was it January 2020? Or was it June 2021? Because, and here's a hint, okay, it's still filming right now, and it's nowhere near the end. So which one was it? Which month was it? Which year was it? Naveen, do you have any idea?
I know this star cast. Is it Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Amitabh Bachchan?
It's a real big one. It's a huge one. It's one of the biggest undertakings. The budget currently sits somewhere around 300 crores. I don't know how to convert that into USD, but it's a massive budget. So, all right, what is? I wonder if people are going to know this because this is a bit of a tough question. It's about timelines. Yeah. Oh, well, look at this. 50% of the people knew. Yes, correct. February 2018. Nice one, guys. Yes, it's been filming since February 2018. The budget sits at 300 crores and it's still filming and the end is nowhere in sight.
Yeah, my guess was A and B. I was sure that it has been this discussion from a long time. So, of course, not 2020, not 2021.
Yeah,
so great.
True that. Is there something that people can do? Another kind of poll that's not about Bollywood, Naveen? Did you want to maybe ask them about a survey?
Yeah, of course. The thing is, from last 4 days, we are asking you for the survey for the sessions, right? From the evangelist. After every session on Coda, Conclave, we will be doing these surveys. But, we forgot to mention the survey for us. We are hosting from last 4 days. Dalai is coming up with Bollywood polls and fun facts. And I'm here to go for the Slidos. And we have not done the survey for us. Why not let's do a survey? Yeah. And also, now since you're doing survey for us, we are thinking about something. Why not give away the prizes for the surveys as well? So if you're doing the hard work of giving a survey, what we'll do a lottery system. End of the day today, we will pick up the lottery. We'll pick up a random person out of our surveys and we'll give them a reward. How about $250?
That sounds
Code of
pretty
Block.
good to me.
Yeah. So everyone, come on, let's do a survey. So you can see in the chat window, there's a link. Click on that link and make sure that you complete the survey and say done in the chat. So that we'll know you're done so that we can continue with it. Okay, complete the survey for Dalai and Naveen, right? Because I guess we are doing well.
And this is the survey for you guys for the whole week because we haven't been putting it in all week. So this is for the whole week. Everyone, just give them a great rating because you guys have done a great job, a really good job. Mike, do you want to give them a little bit of a clap and an applause? Yes, very good. Keep it going for them. They've done a great job. Everyone's. Oh, and for the people that are confused, you need to do a survey after each session. So this is considered a session. We don't normally do the survey for Naveen and Dalai, but we'd like you to fill out a survey for them now. I noticed that someone was saying, Cigar was saying, I've already taken the survey 2 days ago. No, this is a survey for this particular, for Naveen and Dalai. So if you can just fill out the survey for Naveen and Dalai, that would be really helpful. Thanks.
Right. Or maybe we'll ask you to fill the survey multiple times for today for the host.
We've got 2 sessions this afternoon so that there's lots of opportunities for people to enter. And the survey link is in the chat again. Here you go. But the links. But Cigar is saying, I don't know if Tom's still here. He's saying, but the link says you've already taken the survey. You can only take the survey once. Do we need to reset the surveys, Tom? Oh, weird. Okay. I'm not really sure about that. So, yeah, they've already taken the survey. So we'll have to figure that out. I'll get that figured out for you guys. But if you haven't done the survey, please do it, and we'll get back to you. All right. Thanks so much, guys. Go ahead, Naveen.
Great. So once the survey link is ready, we'll again put that in a chat window so that you can complete the survey and you can say done there. Now, apart from this, we have one interesting thing today, which is the code challenge. Remember, on day 1, we talked about code challenge. The winner will be getting $1,000, right? And we got most of the submissions, and we'll be deciding the winner today. So we will be calling Peter to do that. But before that, let's see the agenda. And I'm quite excited today because code challenge is there. We have survey prizes. I hope I will get all the prizes, but anyway, so let's see the schedule for today. We are going to start with introduction, which is happening now, and after that at 10:15 we are going to see the code challenge contest. I hope to see some amazing code there. Then at 11 we are going to have a break. Maybe that's depend upon the code challenge, how far it can go, and then at 11:15. We are going to talk about the R3 mentorship program and the champion program. And if that gets over on time or before time, we'll have a closing ceremony. So again, a short day, but exciting day, right? And then we'll declare the prizes as well for the survey. So yeah, short day, but exciting day. And as always, if you follow us on social media platform, you can post about this event, but make sure that you use a hashtag, which is R3DevWeek. You can also follow us, or you can also chat us, or you can communicate on Slack and Discord. See, I know we only had 5 days. If you have any questions, you have asked most of the questions here. But what if you have a question tomorrow? What if day after tomorrow? What if on Monday? In that case, you can use our Slack and Discord group, and we will be there to help you. And also, this recording will be available on YouTube. So you will find the link, youtube.com/CodaBlockchain. But what about the certification? Because as I mentioned, my plan this week is to complete the certification, right? Because I was doing some preparation from the last 4 days in the evening. I'm not sure if I will be able to clear the exam, but I will try because we can do a retake, right? So at least I can give a try this week. So you will find the link for the certification, and that's for free in the chat window. And when you do that, make sure that when you click on checkout, it should show $0. Okay, because initially it will show some amount, but make sure it is $0. Okay, and make sure that
Naveen, do you want to just show them, just in case somebody's new from yesterday? Can you just quickly show them, because there's a lot of confusion about people not being able. They think that the checkout. So this link actually gives you $300 off and makes it $0. So we're just going to show you how that works.
Right. So if you can see here, we have this author certification. When you click on Get Certified, so basically you will see two products here. One is the Conclave and second is the Coda. You can take both for free. So you can click on Conclave and you just have to say add to cart. I know it says you have to pay around $150 on this page, but hold on. Go back and you can also add the second exam. Get this in your cart as well. Now, once you have both these products in your cart, it says pay $300. But when you click on checkout, this is where the magic happens, right? The coupon will be applied automatically and you have to pay $0. So you have to complete this information and say continue to payment. Now, once you complete the payment, of course, you don't have to pay anything. It will simply say, okay, this is for this, you don't have to pay anything and you got the exam. In few minutes, you will receive the mail from R3 that you have confirmed, you got your certification exam. And after a few minutes, after that, maybe after 5-10 minutes, you will receive a mail from Lessonly. Lessonly is a platform where you can give your exam. So have patience, you will receive the mail maybe in 10-15 minutes once you complete the payment, or not, I mean, zero payment. Okay, so yeah, that's simple. Cool.
There's a
So
quick
that's
question. There's a question in the from Akshay, and he's saying, is there any subscription required for the developer.r3.com portal? The answer is no. No subscription required. Is that correct, Peter? I just want to check.
Yes, so the developer.r3.com, it's just a portal that we're gonna provide the content. We're gonna continuously pushing out the contents. You can reach out to us. You can send us direct message. You know, I remember one guy or maybe one person from the audience yesterday asked us how we can get some support on the application development. What I said yesterday is we don't have we don't actually do public support or external support on application development, but we always answer questions. So the developer.r3.com, the portal, is basically where we're gonna interact one-on-one with our community. So yeah, it's not required, but we highly suggest that you register because you're gonna have your own customized dashboard. So that will be your hub to communicate with any evangelists in the developer relations team.
And Peter, in Lessonly, how can I give exam? Can you explain screen? Roel Pathek is asking that. I don't understand.
So how can I?
Yeah, I think he's not understanding. I don't know.
So even I share my screen, you wouldn't see it because I'm the admin of Lessonly. So how would you given an exam is if you basically check out your certification for free, you go to you will receive an email. You open the email, you will register on Lessonly, and after you registered, the exam, both exam will in your assignment. So that's how the exam is there for you. And then after you complete it, it will automatically generate a badge and then we'll send it to you. And for some people, the badge generations has a little bit flaw. So it might be because the name is too long, or like you have like a 3-4 middle names. That actually happened. So you feel free to just email me or any of the evangelists. We're gonna take care for you manually. So that's basically the process. You get the exam by checkout again for free this week. Because next week gonna back to normal price. With the link. So you check out for free first. You get the email. Using the email, you register on the Lessonly platform, and in the Lessonly platform, the examination will assign to you automatically. You just click on assignment, and you complete the exam, and then you will receive your badge automatically to the email where you sign up your exam. So that's the whole process.